How's it going, everybody? Jake and Al here. That's Sammy B over there to my right. Yeah. Now, his channel name is Make Sense. Okay. Up there is his channel header, Make Sense. All right. He's been in the game for quite a while. He's out of Georgia. And he's got some good. This is a highly edited video. Basically, because when Sammy starts going in on a subject, he likes to let it roll, which is a good thing. He likes to give out a lot of good information. So what you're going to hear here is highly edited to what the original video is actually about. So I'm going to play this, and I do really suggest you actually might have seen Sammy B over on Red Viking Truckers channel. So the link will be up here somewhere. The link will be in the description. So I'm going to let this play. All right, here we go. Take it away, Sammy B. Make Sense.
We're going to talk about money management in the trucking industry. This one per se is going to be for the true owner operator that's out there calling the shots. You know, you've got your own truck payment. You're not in a lease. You make your monthly payment, and if you've got a trailer, you make your monthly payment. If you got your insurance, you make your monthly payment. Or if you're at a company like, say, Landstar, where you still have your own truck, but you make your own payment. If you got your own trailer, you make your own payment, but they take out your insurance. But either way, this is the video that's going to appeal to you. Maybe we can do another one with the lease guys and touch on that. Money management. You know, we've talked a lot about making money, but we have not talked that much about saving money. You know, money management per se, of budgeting it. We hadn't talked enough about keeping it. In my opinion, making too much money without knowing how to budget it is more dangerous than not knowing how to create revenue. Because if you cannot create revenue and make money, then you're just broke. Okay? But if you make a lot of money, then at the end of the year, you kiss all that money goodbye. You ain't got nothing to show for. You ain't putting no money back. At the end of the year, then you're going to be in trouble with the IRS. They're going to want their money. You're going to say, well, I don't got $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. Oh my God! Then now you know it's a headache you don't want. So in my opinion, making a lot of money without having any budgeting skills is more dangerous than not knowing how to make money. I mean, it's just point blank and simple. If you don't know how to make money, you're broke. But if you know how to make a lot of money and you do not know how to budget it, then, whoo, this is a big headache, guys. Let me tell you, it's a big headache, guys. Also, I'd rather know how to make a little bit of money and save a lot than make a lot of money and save a little. It don't make a damn how much money you make. It's how much money you save, how much money you put back in the bank, how much money hits your hands that's not needed for no business expense. That's what this video is about, right? We're in the business to make money, whether you're even a company driver. I try to tell this to people I talk to. Even as a company driver, you got to run yourself as a business.
All right, so that's Sammy B of Make Sense. You really should go check out his channel. He's got a lot of good information. I've spoken to him on the phone, and I think for the first time we ever spoke, I think we were on the phone for about 3 hours, and I'm pretty sure if our ladies in our lives heard those conversations, they'd ban us from ever speaking to each other again. Yeah, I think at the end of the conversation, we'd already convinced each other to run on down to the oil field to go make $1 million real quick. It's probably good that we don't speak that often. All right, so yeah, go check out Sammy B over at Make Sense. He's got some good content, good information, and he's more than willing to share that information out. So ask him questions in his comments. If you see a video, go through his library. I think he has a little over 2,000 subscribers right now. Check out his content. Don't just watch the first video or where this video originated from. Check out his library of content, and you may get some answers that you were looking for in the first place. All right, so y'all have a good day. All right, thank you, Sammy B, for allowing me to use your video in my video. All right, y'all stay safe out there. I got to go do some other stuff. All right, see ya.